Hi guys, I'm Kathy with Design by Kathy, and today I'm going to show you how to do a hydro-dipped cup, or tumbler rather. I've got a 30-ounce tumbler here. I'm going to show you how to hydro-dip this 30-ounce tumbler. So let's get started. Okay guys, what I've done is I have coated this cup in this product called Plasti Dip. I put 2 coats on here and let it dry, but this you can find it at Walmart or hardware store. Pretty cool stuff. But anyway, I put 2 coats on. We'll see how well that works. I have this 5-gallon bucket of, a 5-gallon bucket, but I've only got a couple of gallons of water in it. Don't want to be wasteful on the water. I'm going to use, take just some regular spray paints. I've got this green, a black, and a pretty turquoise color. Now, unfortunately, today that I decided to do this, we're having a really windy day here. And so I do need to have my garage door open because I'm going to be using spray paint. So we're going to hope that we don't blow away or anyway, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to just spray the surface of the water. I'm trying to really hope overspray doesn't go everywhere. So I'm going to take the cup and start it in at an angle. And immerse it. And there you have it. I think I would, next time I'll get something to hold this, hold the inside, but look how cool that is. And this is just dipping it. I don't know if a second dip, let me see if I can do this. Got more black on it. Well, anyway, that's all there is to it. I watched, let me set it. Ooh. I watched a video one day. I watched about 20 minutes of a video, and someone was attempting this process. This is the secret. This is what they didn't have, was the Plasti Dip. This is what is going to hold that paint. And if you can see now, there's, I can scrape that out and probably do another, reuse the water, do a whole nother process there. But anyway, this is my first attempt at this, and I think it turned out pretty cool, with a few exceptions, of course, but that's trial and error, and that's what this is all about. So guys, thanks for watching this little video. It was short and sweet, but that's really cool. It doesn't take it doesn't take long. I would probably want to dip more than do more than one at a time if I were doing this for any projects of my own. But anyway, hope you'll give it a try. If you have any questions or comments, hope you'll leave them below, and please like and share, and then subscribe, and just do just give it a shot. Whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, and you can do it.